always vouch for. Virat Kohli, the chase master that we always been known to. He himself averages around 64, 65. He recently surpassed Sachin Tendulkar's record in the most runs in the chases, and he set his own standards very high. So in yesterday's game, it was very important for Virat Kohli because ये उस तरह का इंसान है. मतलब अगर आपने देखा होगा पिछले कई सारे मैचेस में कि इनको बस इस तरह के सिचुएशंस चाहिए होती है. अगर आपने इनको चेज दिया और मतलब कि ऐसा मैच है वर्ल्ड कप जैसे मैच में, तो जहां पे भी ये खड़े हो जाते हैं मतलब कि वही सब मैचेस में, तो यही इस खिलाड़ी का सबसे बड़ा ऑरा है और यही इस इंसान की सबसे बड़ी काबिलियत है कि जहां पे भी अगर मैच टफ हुआ और इंडिया को इनकी जरूरत है चेज में, तो ये इंसान आपको वहां खड़ा मिलेगा. एंड इफ यू सी द रन्स ऑफ विराट कोहली, that doesn't looks like very flashy numbers, just 116 balls, 85 runs. That means he was there. As soon as his catch got dropped, he was still there. He was taking those singles, he was milking those boundaries.
You
But
know that he was like at 50 with 75 balls. I'm like, इतना slow कैसे खेल सकता है वो बंदा जो मतलब it's so he is so arrogant when it comes to the chasing point as you said. But वो slow खेलने के बाद जैसे ही crosses 50, he is like something different. No one can stop.
this is the characteristic of Virat Kohli. He is somebody who knows calculate back from the beginning and then from the end, and he makes sure that he is staying there. And so there is one thing that I personally felt that he would have personally felt also that he did not carry the team through. He got out at 85, which in general he doesn't do. Against Pakistan, also we saw that he scored 121, 123 runs. He stood there till the end and he gave India those crucial runs. But in yesterday's game, it was very important to stay there to build a partnership along with KL Rahul, and he's somebody who did give India, and it's hopeful for India also that Virat Kohli that we are known in chases. In one of the game he failed. If you see against Australia in Rajkot, he scored 53 and he was really not happy with himself and he gave away his wicket where India was
He's
chasing
never
more
happy.
than
He's never happy with
340
himself.
runs.
He's never